Well, good evening, tubers. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you the day after Christmas. And I hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas and a wonderful day after Christmas. As I promised, I said I was going to come back to this gaming Shiba. Okay, and it has been getting a lot of hits on this channel because it's been a run-up and there's been some responses. There's been talk about how there's 17,000 holders, and I respect that, but I got just one problem. Okay, if you're gonna launch a token and you're gonna talk about that you are gonna be a gaming token and you're gonna be capable of allowing people to leverage that technology, let's look at what it says again. It says here, the modern technology and contemporary ambient that the internet created cannot be imagined to function as a whole without cryptocurrency. The impact that cryptocurrency has on global scale is astronomical in the sense of being the generator of almost every development, and especially the latest one. Upcoming digital platforms will bring the opportunities and experiences that gamers did not have before. Gaming Shiba will be a binding bridge between gamers, streaming platforms, NFTs, and metaverse. Here are some other articles that may be of interest to you. Man, that sounds real good. As a matter of fact, I mean, a lot of people like the sound of that. I see this run up over the last 7 days. It's an incredible run up. Percentage wise, it's just going up. It's off 20% on the day. But then I go over here and I click on the website, and what do I see? I see a big goose egg. And no, it has nothing to do with the browser I'm using. Before you drop that in the comments, you can show this in any browser. The last thing a coin needs, the last thing a blockchain needs when people are trying to invest is a website that doesn't work. And right now, I'm wondering if gaming Shiba is bogus or if it's real. Now, I might go ahead and stop what I'm doing. I normally don't do this, and try to hunt down some articles. If there's some interest in this channel to know whether gaming Shiba is bull crap or if it's real, please drop something in the comment section if you want to know. I'm sure there's some people out there that have spent their hard-earned money and don't want to hear this. Well, guess what? Where's the website? Like, subscribe, and share. It's Crypto Big Boss. I'll catch you on the next one.